cannot believe I'm here right now. This in 40-degree weather. Oh my god! We're in Turkey right now. Oh my god. It's so hot today. Hello. Yeah, welcome back again. I'm just going to give you a cheeky bit of context. Turkey, or at least the southern part to my knowledge, is currently in a massive heat wave as of recording this. I think there was forest fires that were either causing the heat or caused the heat. Oh, no, wait, or the heat caused... yeah, it's really... incredibly hot, and it's just interesting with me being ginger in Turkey in a theme park. So it's like, okay, so I've been in this hotel for like 4 days now, but we're finally going to Land of Legends because I'm like an hour and a half away and I'm so tired. Hello. Had to find a shaded bit. I was trying to find a shaded bit. I cannot believe I'm here right now. This place is huge and I'm only in like the central bit. It's so hot today. It's gonna get to 42 degrees. So I don't know how I'm gonna survive in that. But yeah, we are in the land of the legends. I'm on my holiday, so it's only like a one-day thing, and we're here on the 2E transfer. So we're only here till 5. They've got the new Nickelodeon Land, I think. Hypercoasters over this building. Oh my god, they've got Popeyes. This place is huge. It's so zoomed out, it doesn't even like... There's misters. I don't know where we're going, but the entrance was back there, and there's like a bunch of water rides and pools and slides. And you can see the Disney castle from like everywhere. Blue one. Yeah. I like Loops. Yeah. I like Loops. We still haven't seen it test. I really hope it opens. But the white one, I don't know what it's called. My cap's blowing off. Jesus Christ. That thing is giant. Yeah. I like Loops. I don't know where we get on this. So I'm kind of just gonna have a walk around. I don't think it's this way, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, we've been told to walk in here. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, we're queued for the back row. I'm gonna record on the ride. They didn't even let me record because apparently it says on the sign you can use wrist straps, but apparently you can't. So
I couldn't stop screaming, honestly.
That was pretty crazy.
Oh, it's like it's so horrible, isn't it? It's like blowing a hot air in your face. Yeah. You can't breathe.
The drop is crazy. We were on the back row, so we got like yanked down it.
Yeah.
And then the pull up into the loop is really intense. I grayed out for a minute there. And this is only the morning, like it hasn't even warmed up yet. Yeah, it was pretty good. We're gonna try to get a POV now. Hopefully it works because I'm on the chest strap. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa! Yeah. Oh my god. That was so much better. What's your verdict?
It's better on the front. I like that you can see what you're doing. I think the thing that really gets you is the sun, to be honest, more than the ride.
The hot air.
I think it's the hot air blowing at you that makes it worse.
Yeah.
But the ride itself, I don't think it's too difficult to be on.
Okay, I can't remember what this ride model is, but we're gonna do it. It's Gerstlauer, I think. Oh, hello. We're on the Gerstlauer thing with the wings.
Let's go!
The wing handles are so hot. no idea how to do this. I have no idea how to do this. Oh, here we go.
Oh my god, look how much I'm spending.
No one's even moving anymore. I'm so clueless. Okay, let's just stop. So.
The thing I liked about the other place.
Right, this thing looks weird. I think this is Gerstlauer, so they've got like a Gerstlauer wombo combo with the Skyflyer thing that we just did. This looks pretty cool. Oh. Whoa, whoa! Oh, it's really smooth. Just got whacked in the face by a tree.
Oh shit.
Okay, so we've just done the Skyflyer, I think it's called Fighter Jet or something. And then the family coaster. They were both pretty good rides.
They were good and fulfilling because I feel like sometimes they're a bit boring, but I think they both had character to them.
I couldn't go upside down at all on the Skyflyer. I don't know what was going on there. This in 40-degree weather must be awful. Okay, I'm on the top spin. The seat's boiling. Oh, it's so hot. And I'm doing insanely intense top spin. It was incredibly sparkly. Okay. Don't even know what's going on at this point. I'm just letting the ride do its thing. It's so bright and hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Oh no. Ah! Oh. Oh no, not again, not again, not again. Oh. Oh my god, just upside down. Keep in mind it's 40-degree heat right now. That was one of the most intense cycles I've ever had on a top spin. It was genuinely like painful. It held you upside down for like a minute straight and the restraints were just boiling. Like you tried to hold on to the handle and you had to pull your hand away from it because of how hot it was. Oh, and the bear. Oh my, that makes so much sense. What kind of magic is this? Oh my god, it's the bear. Okay, so we're back in the theme park. I had McDonald's in that main area and it was really cheap out here. Like for better quality and like more food, I don't know, it's weird. Got the water coaster on next. The theme park area actually isn't that big. The water park is huge, and so is that first plaza thing you walk into. But once you actually get here to the theme park, it's like right tucked over the back. There's not as many rides here as I thought there was going to be. I think there's supposed to be a pre-show in here. I just did the water coaster. The lift on that is so weird. It's like an elevator where you get lifted up, but there's like a curve in it, so it's really awkward. That first drop was fun. It's quite steep. It's steeper than you think. Then the helix was really intense, like the double helix. And then you go up the hill into the splashdown. The splashdown doesn't do much. It gets you a little bit wet on the sides, but other than that, it wasn't that bad. I'm gonna get another ride on the Hypercoaster to see if it's warmed up at all.
Why is the silence so deafening? Okay, look, I'm gonna be honest. I cannot be asked to keep editing in this ride counter thingy, and from this point, I literally only did Hypercoaster, so take that. I'm sorry, please subscribe.
As of right now, I've just had my 5th ride on it. It is warmed up so much towards the end of the day. At the morning, most of the hills were floater, but now all those hills are like pure ejector. It's so good. That 0G roll in the middle, it genuinely feels like your body's just taking a screenshot. I had to stop in here. This is cool. This is actually surprisingly well themed. This is nice. I had to do at least one of the SpongeBob ones. So good. We've done with the Land of Legends now. We went in that like sweet shop, I think it was, that sold like nougat and baklava. But yeah, we've got loads of rides. And theme parks are awesome, it's huge.
See, I'm not there anymore.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!